Hello everyone. So today it is 4:30 something, 4:40 probably.
4:40.
4:40. We are going to be driving to Calgary. We're gonna try to go all the way right now. we'll see how that goes because we might have to drive slow because it's hot. But we're all ready to go. Wish us luck. We'll just keep updating you as it goes on. Pero it's a 10-hour drive without stopping, so siguro mga 11 hours. Right now it looks like we're gonna get there at around 4. But we'll see. We are
4 ng umaga.
Oo, 4 ng umaga. We feel good anyways. And baka hindi rin kami makatulog sa car kasi mainit. Anyways, yeah, mag-drive na ako. It's Eddie's first long drive.
Yeah, well, magtatanong sila sino si Eddie.
Eddie is the new car that we will talk about in another video. Okay, bye!
Andito na Andito na tayo ngayon sa Highway 1. Medyo ma-traffic po, no? Kasi nga long weekend. And rush hour din pala. Also, yung temperatura sa labas, it's 38 degrees. Ayan. Back. So 5:11 ng hapon, 38 degrees yung temperatura dito. Tsaka, oh my god, medyo mabagal lang takbo ng traffic po. Live reporting sa Highway 1. Papunta po kaming Calgary ngayon. Nabanggit na ata yun ni Kim kanina. So, hindi namin to nabanggit sa previous vlog namin kasi actually hindi alam ng family ni Kim na pupunta kami doon. Kasi surprise! So, ayan. Update na lang namin kayo habang nasa biyahe kami. So, blurry. Okay, kukihala na po kami, guys. Ayan, may construction pala.
True, which is nice kasi
Mabagal yung takbo.
oo, 70 lang. This part is the scariest for me because siya, parang ang dami niyang turns and ang bilis niya. So,
mga zigzag.
mas okay na ako na may construction.
Yeah. Medyo malayo pa po kami talaga, guys. 8 hours pa. So, update na lang namin din kayo mamaya.
Every hour.
Okay, see ya.
So right now we're taking a break. We're gonna eat dinner at DQ because it is open. Yeah, it's open. So
Dito tayo ngayon sa Meron, guys. First stop namin.
nagpagas kami and
kami ang kakain and then tea break na din. So, it's already 8:24.
yeah.
Ng gabi.
Our next break is sa Revelstoke, and then after Revelstoke,
Dere-derecho na.
Golden, and then after Golden, it's diretso.
Yeah, kakain mo na ka.
7 hours left.
Oh, sorry, tinitingnan ko. Zoom ko yung sunset. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Anong oras na ba? 9:12. And eto ngayon currently ang dinadaanan natin. Still on Coquihalla Highway. And 23 degrees Celsius pa rin sa labas. So,
Not as bad as earlier. We were at 36 kanina.
totoo. So, ngayon, continue lang kami mag-drive.
Yep.
And then, update na naman ulit namin kayo mamaya. Hi guys, nasa Revelstoke pala kami. Nag-stop kami 12:27 na ng madaling araw. So, magnanap lang kami bago kami didiretso ng
Yeah, siguro mga 3 hours ganun.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Kasi titingnan namin. Pero
onti na lang to. Onting drive na nasa Calgary na kami mga
4 hours.
4 hours.
Ito set up pala namin ngayon, no? Ito pala set up namin ngayon. Wala. Nilagyan namin ng ito para hindi kita. And then si Kim nasa likod. Yan siya dyan. Ako andito. Kung nagtataka kayo kung saan kami nagpark, nasa rest area kami ng Revelstoke. So, pwede dito. Marami din mga masasakyan dito na nagpapahinga. So, pahinga muna kami, guys. Morning, guys. Ano na, 4:16 a.m.
Kakaalis lang namin dun sa...
Kakaalis lang namin galing Revelstoke na medyo nahaba-haba yung oras namin, mga 3 hours. So, kung magtatanong kayo about area stop, meron naman.
Yeah, marami din palang natutulog dun. So, akala namin nung una parang awkward na kami matutulog sa car. Pero,
marami pala.
ang daming nakapark and ang daming nakatulog sa park.
Totoo.
So, feeling namin safe.
Safe yung area. Oo. Sorry, tinapat ko na kayo sa labas kasi pag sa harap nakatapat sa amin, wala kayong makikita kasi madilim. But yeah, nasa road na ulit tayo. 4 hours and 20 minutes na lang para Calgary. So, see ya. Update namin kayo mamaya.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Wow!
Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close.
Hello everyone! Right now we are at Golden at Petro Canada. So I think this is gonna be our last stop
Hindi pa
before
namin alam. Pero hopefully ito na.
Calgary. Kasi medyo malapit na naman to sa Calgary. Mga 2 hours and something. So
Yeah.
magpapagas lang kami. Meron pa akong gas actually. Pero para mandiretso na namin. And then washroom and coffee.
Yeah.
Ang dami naming casualties dito sa ayun na. Lahat bugs.
Ayan. So, ngayon, saan ba tayo?
We are at Picking Horse.
Picking Horse. Nakalis na pala kami dun sa
Golden.
Oo, sa Golden. Kung saan kami nag-stop for gas and bumili ng Tims.
Ngayon, papunta na tayo ng Banff. And we only have 2 hours and 44 minutes to go.
Yeah!
And it's only, oras na ba? 7:16. Pero nag-change na yung time. So, basically 6.
6 sa Vancouver ngayon. Alright. See you guys. Wow. Guys, nakikita niyo ba yan?
Moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Yan po ang mga makikita nyo kung papunta po kayong Alberta. Mga mountains.
Starbucks.
Yan. Wow, guys. Diba? Calgary. Guys, andito na po tayo sa Calgary. It's already 9:19 Calgary time. 8 sa Vancouver. So, mga 20 minutes na lang darating na tayo sa bahay nila Kim. So, hindi nila alam na darating kami ngayon. Bago tayo uuwi, dadaan muna tayo ng car wash kasi guys, tingnan nyo naman yung glass ng sasakyan namin. Maraming mga insects at saka
Casualties.
casualties. So, yeah, i-update na naman i-update na naman namin kayo mamaya. Magka-car wash muna tayo.
Maya, wake up.
Why?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Who's that? Who's that? Who came here to see you? Is that Tita Shell? Who's that?
Ew. Charlie licked me.
Hug na, hug. Hug, Tita Shell, hug Tita Shell. Is that Tita Shell? Who's that?
Wake up.
Dapat nandito ko sa bed. Lagot ka, mommy.
Wala.
Say, lagot ka, Charlie.
La pupu.
Hi.
Are you sure you don't want to check on that deck?
Oh my God.
Charlie.
Go here, oh. Come here.
Go there, Char. Go. Charlie.
Check all these rainbows. Don't put them at the back. Check all the rainbows. What are the rainbows? Oh, very rare, very expensive. Oh, really? Yes.
Are you happy?
Oh, Amazon. Oh, really?
Sige, pagalitan ka mamaya. Happy now, pagalitan later.
Look at this charger. Look at this.
Yeah.
Her wrist. No, Carmel, you have to go like this, under.
Hi! Oh my God! Why are you here? Hi, coming! Why are you here?
Nag-drive ba kayo? Saan yung park?
Sarap ba yung garage para hindi mo
Saan nag-park?
Acting nyo na sa kayo nag-park.
Sa kabi... Ay, pinark ko dun sa sa harap.
Ipaikot mo na kay Dad.
Lalabas kami.
Pakay pa.